So on this steamer right here, this is where the water goes. So you just unscrew that. Then I gotta open up the water. So imagine it's like an iron, but instead you're gonna be steaming out the you see that steam? And it really does get hot. You hear it making noise, you gotta let it warm up some. You see the water I just pulled in there. So we're gonna start left to right, like I said. It's not really you just gotta warm up, I guess. It's been a while since I used this thingy. Oh, there it go. If you're new to the events industry, I highly recommend that you invest in one of these. Keep this with some water. Keep it with you when you're doing your setups. And see, then it goes back down. I don't even have the water at the max. Then you gotta let it cool down some, but as you see, it got you've seen it in action. And start back up again. So watch this. I have it lightly touching it. I don't have it on there. Got it lightly touching it. You see it? Yep, now it's slowing back down. All I'm doing is going left to right. That part right there is going to dry. It's just water. But that's what I'm saying. You got to do this backdrop. And as you've seen in my other video, you got to do this backdrop days beforehand. And you still got to carry this with you the day of. Because you still got to remember, you got to fold this backdrop back up to transport it. Y'all see that? Then when it's slowing back down, you want to remove it. Let it take its time going back up, boiling, boiling. So I'm gonna put this down and turn it off. So now I want you to see, let's see. Not a wrinkle in sight. No wrinkles in sight. And you got to think about your backdrop like a shirt, like your clothes. Would you go outside with wrinkled clothes on? No, hopefully not. So that's how you got to think about your backdrop. Don't just say, oh, it doesn't matter, because yeah, it does matter. I had seen some beautiful, beautiful setups, and I couldn't really appreciate it like that because they had them hard wrinkles up in there, hard wrinkles, out the pack wrinkles. And I was just like, yeah, it just didn't, it just took away from it. But as you see, there's no more wrinkles. I got all the wrinkles out. Always treat the whole backdrop. Don't say, oh, well, there's going to be a table right there so nobody won't see. Do it right the first time, okay? Get into the habit of just doing it right. But as you see, there's no more wrinkles in my backdrop. And that's how I like it. So make sure that you invest. I would not use an iron on this. I just wouldn't do it. I just, used a little steamer right there. And you want to do this days before. If you don't have a steamer, make sure that you order and get your backdrop in, I would say maybe a month ahead of time. And set it up somewhere and let the wrinkles just fall out. Set your backdrop up and let your wrinkles just fall out on its own. But do not try to be rushing and just, it doesn't matter. It does matter that the wrinkles are in there, because it's going to take away from all your hard work and stuff. So get the backdrop early. Get those wrinkles out. A steamer don't cost no more than $20 to $30, but it's good to have. Like, you can use it on drapes and curtains and other stuff too. So it's a good investment to have for your household. But make sure that you get the things out of the out your backdrops. Make sure that you watch my other Christmas Vlogmas videos. I just did one literally before this one of what I just bought from Dollar Tree. I'm about to actually get ready to go to another Dollar Tree. So let's see what Dollar Tree has in store this season, this year for Christmas stuff. So you want to watch that video. And make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And I will see you all on the next video. Oh, before I end this, let me know what other videos that you all want to see. And I'm going to try to do my best to get them to you. But, drop the comments below, especially if you are a newly engaged couple and you need, help planning your wedding or event. I do have digital products available for you as well to help you really start the planning process of your wedding or event. So, and also if you start seeing me in the next couple of days shooting videos in front of this backdrop, just know I'm going to be using this backdrop for a lot of things. So a lot of content related things. So let me know what you think and see you all in the next video.